What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer Clickbank and many other marketplaces, and I am working here for last 7 years and making thousand per month by affiliate marketing. Now in this video I am going to discuss what is the best affiliate marketing training program in 2020. A lot of people are feeling hesitated, which training program is the best, which product is the best, which software is the best, and day after day they buy various products, softwares, they join various training programs, and by the end the result is fail. So in this video I share my honest opinion or the best training program or the best affiliate marketing training program that will help you to make money from online, and you can run your online journey for a lifetime and you can make huge money per month. You see here, it's Warrior Plus. Most of the people buy this bulky software and bulky products day after day, and they lost their money, they lost their time, they lost their dedication behind this type of scammy product or scammy software or a scammy training program. So I personally don't like it. And look here, here's the marketplace, and you see how much bulky product released per day inside this scammy marketplace. So if you dependent on this type of products or software, you never make money from online, and you never start your online journey successfully for lifetime. So guys, in this video I will show you the best training program that will help you to make more money from online, and you can run your online journey successfully for a lifetime. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my next videos that will come in the next day. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing, don't forget to check my number on recommendation, and you can check my video description for joining this 10,000 earning member club. And here you will see my Facebook page. You can directly message here, and if you have any question you can ask me here. And you see here 12 income increasing bonuses. I added these 12 income increasing bonuses that will help you to make more money from online. You will get a lot of free traffic source, free methods, free twists and tricks from making money from online. So don't miss these bonuses. So guys, it's time to show the best training program, best affiliate marketing training program in 2020, and that will change your life for a, and you will get the financial freedom. You can enjoy your laptop lifestyle, you can quit your boring online job, or you can be go away from this bulky scammy software and products of training. So guys, check into my computer, and before this please subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, and I am helping here to make money from online for the other people inside my YouTube channel. So guys, I will show, and stay tuned with me and check my computer. I don't know you have heard this name, yes or not, yes or no, but it's legendary marketer. It's an educational affiliate marketing training program for anyone who want to run their online business successfully for a lifetime. So if you want to make big money from online, then you need a proven training program that will help you step by step everything from where you should start your online business and how you can run your online business successfully and get high ticket commission from by affiliate marketing. And I will show you everything inside this legendary marketer that will change your future life in 2020, like me. Look here, it's an online marketing education delivered simply and with integrity. Watch this video.
Hey, what's up? This is Dave Sharp, and if you are watching any of the news, if you've paid attention to what's happening on our retirement accounts, 60 in 2008, Colorado to sipping coconuts in to leverage here the income.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video first. Now look here, what is legendary marketer, what's their mission, what they how they help people and what they do for the people. You can see everything here, and you see the founder of legendary marketer. He is Mr. David Char, and you see here he's the founder of legendary marketer, and you see other programs of legendary marketer. When you join this legendary marketer, you will get the 50 days online business builder challenge. Here you will get 15 days training program, but don't think you will get a clue or a formula for making money. No, it's not a overnight success training program. This training program will help you step by step how can you start your online business and you can run your online business for a lifetime. So if you want overnight success as like this type of scammy product, it's not like this. Then legendary marketers club, traffic university, affiliate marketing business blueprint, digital products business blueprint, coaching and consulting business blueprint. So you will get everything inside this legendary marketer. You don't need to go outside legendary marketer for buying other tools, software, etc. You don't need it. Mr. David Char will help you step by step, and a advisor or a coach will be appointed for you for your personal question, for your personal problem. He will solve everything inside this legendary marketer. I think it's the best training program in 2020 if you want to make money from affiliate marketing. I think legendary marketer is the best. Now here's the about of legendary marketer. You see here is the past history of building legendary marketer. How much student inside legendary marketer. Now I am a member of legendary marketer plus an affiliate of legendary marketer, and now I will show my start of legendary marketer that will change my life. And you see here it's legendary marketer. It's a high ticket training program, and yesterday I made a high ticket sale that will make a $1,000 commission by a sale. And you see here, look the reports. I am here for only 5 or 4 months, and within this I have made 12 high ticket sales inside here and a lot of mid ticket sales inside here. So it's everything you will get inside here, and you will see the multiple income system here. You can make money by builder all, click funnel, get response, award. It's a multiple income scheme. And here is the leaderboard. You see, here is the daily leaderboard, and I am not here, but within the last 7 days I am Raju Bhadra here. Last 30 days I am Raju Bhadra here, and here the members chart, and I see the rank here. If you want to a diamond member, then you have to earn $1 million, and here is the 2%. If you want to platinum member, you have to earn 100,000 sell, and you will get the platinum affiliate. And if you get over 10,000 sales, then you will be a gold member inside Legendary Marketer. And you see here, I am here, and I am a gold member of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer changed my life, and I want to change your life by Legendary Marketer. So if you want a best affiliate marketing training program, then Legendary Marketer is the best. There is no other option to get the best result from affiliate marketing. Now inside Facebook, you see here here's the activity of Legendary Marketers. You see here is the two private groups. This group is for affiliates, and you see here a lot of posts inside here. If you face any problem, then you can post here. Every member is so much cooperative to help each other, and you will get the help from anyone. If you face any question, you see here a lot of posts every day. Then the admin or the CEO Mr. David Sharp always comes in live inside Legendary Marketer pages you see here, and he will provide time to time various marketing strategies for updated marketing. So I think it's enough for a affiliate training program, and you will get the best help if you want to run your online business successfully for lifetime. And if you want to make big commission from online, then you must need to join Legendary Marketer. It's the best training program, it's the best high ticket training program for affiliate marketer, and it's best for a newbie or an expert. So if your question is what is the best affiliate marketing training program is in 2020, then my answer is Legendary Marketer, and I show all these things inside Legendary Marketer, and what you will get inside Legendary Marketer, and how Legendary Marketer changed my life, and at the same way you will get the best benefit, and you can change your life for lifetime, and you will get the best help for affiliate marketing or make money online from Legendary Marketer. I think it's time to quit your job, and it's time to avoid all the bulky software and methods and grab this Lion affiliate program. It's a beast. A lot of marketer already making thousand million dollars inside Legendary Marketer. So why miss this chance? Why you are looking for this bulky software and products? So guys, don't hesitate anymore and don't waste your valuable time and money behind various bulky software and products. So join legendary marketers, change your life and make big money from legendary marketer. So guys, if this video help you, then like this video and share this video with other people, and if you have any question, please comment in the comment box. And if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to check my number on recommendation. So guys, best of luck, take action and join legendary marketer and change your future life in 2020. So guys, best of luck, be a legendary and change your financial condition with big money from legendary life. May look here again, here are all my commissions from legendary marketers. So guys, don't miss this chance. Best of luck and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. So guys,